What is going on, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be fixing my sister's car. Here we go. Just doesn't know how to drive. This is her car. You can see the little dimple right here, broken headlight, and then we got this part right here. Looks pretty bad. Today we are just going to be changing the one headlight, and we got the fender. We are going to go from a ugly looking car to a good looking car. We're gonna change the headlights, fender, just like this. Okay, one more time. You know what? Just wait. First, we're gonna take off the headlight and then the fender.
And his son is here.
I'm gonna go ahead and take off the fender. Let's see, 1, 2. All right, so I pulled this back. There were two screws back here. These little holes. They were connected to this little fender liner right here. Once I opened the door and I pulled this black plastic, I found another one right there. All right, we finally took it off. As you can see, I should have opened up the new fender and seen where the holes were to screw on the fender, so like that I would know exactly where the screws were. So let me point it out to you guys. There are two screws right here, one up here, another up there, one right here, and two on the bottom. And then you have this liner connecting it up. Do not cut those wires.
Why?
Because those are for the headlights. All right, so now that we have this fender off, let's see if we can take off the headlight. All right, I managed to take out the headlight. There is this little thing that stopped it from coming out. So all you have to do is lift this up. Oh, no, I broke it. Not no more. All right, so now we're gonna put in the new headlight, fender. So this right here is the new headlight. Let's go put this on. 1, 2, 3 tabs. It goes here, here, and there. I'm gonna screw that in first. Let's see if the lights actually turn on. So the headlights do work. This is high beam. The headlight works. I'm just gonna remove the plastic just from the edges, just so that once it's on, it doesn't become hard to take off. It is getting kind of dark, so we have to move this pretty quick. We got the fender right here. We're gonna open it up. All right, today's the next day. I'm gonna show you guys the results. Look how it lines up. The lines are evenly spaced out all the way. And I didn't have any trouble putting this on. I also didn't have any trouble putting on the headlight, which is really good. As an end result, that's how it looks right now. I suggest if you guys are gonna get any parts for your car, go to carparts.com. I'm gonna try and see if I can work on this. This is gonna be for a different day, a different video. This was pushed in, so I went to the trunk and I pushed it out as much as I could, but it looks like I pushed it out way too much. So we're just gonna see how it turns out.